Hi. So what this is we're going to be discussing how to go through project 2 start to finish. This is the website project. So first things first, I made a rubric. This is available for you on Teams. I will probably also post a picture of it inside the announcement that I post this video. So first off, you have to use Google Sites to make this website. All right. You cannot use anything else. If you submit a website from another company, you will get an automatic fail for it. Okay? The website can be on any subject that you want it to be. All right? Just has to be school appropriate. Okay, so pictures on the home pages or pictures on the sub pages and home pages. So basically, every page on your website needs to have a picture. One has to be drawn yourself. And then since you're having four subpages total and one home page, that means you have to have four other pictures that you could just take from Google. I highly recommend that you make them royalty free. Okay, so GIMP picture is one of them. So you need four, or you need five pictures total. All right, and one of those pictures has to be drawn with GIMP. The home page must have a picture, links to the subpage, contact info. Do not put real contact info. All right, there's lots of bad people on the internet. You have to have four subpages. You have to have a minimum of four sentences or bullet points per subpage. You have to take your web banner and put it on one of your pages. This is in addition to the picture. So if you did not do your web banner project, I'll open it back up for you. Now would be a good time to get it done. You need to make a web banner for your website. Once again, school appropriate, but it can be on anything. All right, and your home page must have each subpage must have a button. Okay, so if we go into Teams, we can see right here, this is the contract. This is 2.01. I will open it back up for you to submit. No, it's already open. Never mind. So you had to design, or you had to decide what the subject of your website is going to be by the 17th. This is the 5th of December, by the way. This was an assignment. It just did not get graded. 2.02 was, that one was gone. We had to change that one and get rid of it because the old website we were using for it did not work. You need to plan your website on paper, and I will go over that. Um, then there will be a video to watch, 2.04, which is this one. I'm going to show you how to build a website. Okay. And then when for turning in 2.04, you must have a home page and one subpage done. Once you start building your website and you got your home page done and a subpage done, just turn in the link on like a Google Doc or a Word document. Make sure it's shareable. Okay. And then 2.05 is the final project. This is your final exam. It is worth 20% of your grade. You have to turn it in. This has to be turned in no later than the 14th. Okay, so it opens on the 7th, but then closes on the 14th. All right, so this is 2.01, and I will show you where to find that. 2.01 you can find uh, right here. Okay, or you can just take one of your old ones and um, you take one of your old ones and you can just delete it and replace it with this. Okay. If it does not come here, then go into 1.01 or 2.01. There's a blank one somewhere in these announcements. Week 11, probably 1.02 directions. No, that's wrong assignment. I'm sorry. Ignore that. Blank contract, week 8. I will make sure that that is moved into the same announcement that this is in. So once you have done that, we move on to the next part of the list. Decide what you're going to do for your website. We're not doing 2.02, so don't worry about that. Move on to 2.03. Now, we did this in a class, and that class is listed right here, how to do 2.03. And we even got an example of it. Okay? This particular one is about my dog, but the one that we did together in class, that was about Encanto. In Teams, I just put it in Teams. Here's the one that we did about Encanto. So we're going to have a home page that is up here. We're going to have sub-site tabs, which is basically, we're just going to have links to the sub pages, okay? And we're going to have a picture of Encanto, characters only. You can do whatever you like. The first page is going to be the synopsis or plot. We're going to have 4 sentence minimum about the plot, a GIMP picture drawn of Encanto. Second subpage, we're going to have a character list, each character with parent and power. Family photo of all the doors together with the family. Okay, so I'll show you how to do all that. We're going to have a list of songs, okay, and with a picture of Bruno again, and we're going to put the web banner on this one, okay. We're going to have about the actors, and we're going to list the actors and who they play. We're going to have a picture of the actors. You do not have to go this detail. This website can be about anything that you would like. But keep in mind, if you do not have an idea, you cannot come up to me on December 14th and say, well, Mr. Luthman, I don't have an idea. I'm not going to excuse you from the project. If you don't have an idea by the time you are watching this video, then you're just going to do Encanto. Do what we do. Okay? And now we start building the website. So first off, you're going to need a Google account. I have my work Google account here, and I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to put sites, Google Sites. Now, you could start blank, project, portfolio, event, help center, team. I'm just going to go with project, I guess. I feel like the layout for that is going to work really well. Google Sites works very similar to PowerPoint. All right. Now, the first thing we want to do is want to make it to where we can share it. So if you just give me a minute, share with others. Okay, so we click this little person with the plus box here. All right, anyone with a link can see it. Okay, anyone with the link. All right, done. And then we should just be able to copy that and go. No, that didn't copy the name. Why does it say virtual job shadow? Was I hitting shift? That's better. No, it's not better. One second. Okay, so in order to make it to where anyone can see it, you have to publish it, website address, Encanto, Encanto project. That seems to be okay. So you're gonna have to name it something else, like name it Encanto project with your last name or something. All right, and then once that happens, uh, oops, sorry, right there. You can get the link and you can submit the link. Okay, and then it'll work. Okay, so once again, here's our map. No, that's not our map. Here's our map. And once again, you can add more detail to yours, you can add less detail. So let's just start with the home page. We need a picture of Encanto, and we need a list to the sub pages. Okay. So what are we going to do? Well, let's see if we can delete that. Can't delete that. Oh, wait a minute. I saw it. There it is. Delete. Just click it and press delete. Now, trying to get rid of the image, change image. Okay. Or we can just, there we go. Okay. So when you do project, it automatically has different subpages set up for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and we're going to type in Encanto because we're going to need some pictures. We're going to need images, and under Tools, we're going to select User Rights, and we're going to use Creative Commons License. Okay. Now this is going to be very difficult because it's Disney, and Disney copyrights everything. So we may have to just use anything. All right. I am going to copy this image, and I'm going to go back to the project. So let's see if we can just paste it. It doesn't look like it. All right, so we have to save our pictures. So what we're going to do is we're going to save a bunch of pictures. File or right click, save image as. Okay, if that's the go-to, that is perfectly fine. I'm just going to go new folder, Encanto images, and I'm going to call this one the house. I don't know if it actually saved it there. Encanto image, and it did not. Great. Okay. All right. So where did it go? 1 second. Let me fix. All right, and then as you can see, we have that. So I'm going to take a look at what pictures that we will need, and I'm going to go ahead and get those pictures from Google. I'm going to do that not recording because you never know what's going to show up on Google Images, and it may be a few minutes and you don't need to see it, but right click, save image as, and save it somewhere you know. All right, that has to do with file directory management. And I will catch you in a few. I'm going to end up using all licenses, commercial ones. Technically, you can use copyrighted material for a school project. So once this project is done, you will need to unpublish it. Okay? Thank you. Okay, I have several now. So we're going to, no, did not want to duplicate that. Okay. We want to add an image. So we're going to go to upload. And Encanto images, and we're just going to go with a simple one. We'll go with the house. See how that fits here. Open. Okay, so it only shows the top of the house. That's okay. Ah, Control Z works on here, by the way. All right, that's okay. So we're going to do Encanto. Description of the website. Explanation. Or no, I will just do Encanto fan site. All right. Effort 1. All right, so we're going to change the name of this. We're going to make these our subpages. And as we look back, our first subpage is the plot. what happens in Encanto. All right. I'm going to show you another way to do pictures that are really easy. Okay. So we click. Now let's duplicate. There we go. Images. We can go to. So yes, here we go. Select images. You could search it directly here. So we can type in Encanto. All right, and I'll just choose that one, whatever that works. Ah, that did not work. Thank you. Okay, so this is where we do it. Replace image, select image. I'm sorry about that. No, this is my drive. Google Images. It doesn't want to work. Why does not want to work? Google Images. Come on. Link, photos. Oh, search in Google up here. Here we go. We'll choose it with this. Insert. Perfect. All right. Two, character list. So we'll change this to characters. Overview of characters. Okay. We'll change this. Um, by the way, as long as you have pictures on your subpage, you don't have to change these. You could just delete them. So we're going to select image, Google, Encanto characters. Okay. Not seeing anything great. Kind of afraid to scroll down. Did I spell Encanto wrong? Did I spell characters wrong? Disney Encanto characters. You know what? We're just going to use the same one for this one. We'll use the same one for all of them. We'll have different pictures on each page. All right. Effort 3. What's effort 3? Songs. Okay. Songs. List of songs and their description. Okay. Select image. Google Images. Encanto songs. I don't know what any of this is, so we'll just go back to typing it in Encanto. We'll choose that picture. We'll choose that picture again. All right, and the fourth subpage is actors. Okay. Now, questions down here. I want you to put a fake contact email. Okay. So like Encanto fan at yahoo.com. Okay. Fake information. All right. And let's see if we can just delete this. And I don't know what take action means. So there you go. Now you have your picture, description, and now we can do our first subpage. So, okay. Let's see if we can change the name of this one. Yes, we're going to call it plot. This will be our plot. Okay. Delete what you don't want. A brief history, or So here's where you write the plot. Okay, you can write exactly what I want. Maribel lives in a family who all have special powers. Maribel was never given a power. I'm trying to explain this quickly. She is considered an outcast by her family, and one day the magical house they live in starts breaking up. Maribel thinks she can save it. You watch along as she tries to save magic in her family. There, we're not going to give out the end. All right. I want a different picture. Replace image. Upload. Go back to this for a second. Okay, we'll do sad marble. Okay, perfect. All right, and then this stuff can get deleted. Unless you want to add more, you're more than welcome to. All right, here's our menu. Why does it say history? It's supposed to say plot still. It's supposed to say plot. Properties. Change it to plot. Done. There. Plot. Perfect. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Let's see how we do this. Okay, so link to plot. Apply. Click this and do the same. No, no, no. Maybe click on the box. Link to plot. Apply. So publish this. Got it, whatever. Okay. Click this. Why does it say that? That's weird. And it goes to the plot website. There we go. Okay. You get the gist of it. You can stop right here. If not, uh, currently hang out and I gotta fix this. Didn't want it published. Okay, here we go. If it does that, unpublish it. All right. All right. If you get the gist of it, you can move on. If not, then go ahead, keep watching. We'll move on to characters. So we got plot, team. Change the name of team here to properties. What was it that I just clicked on? Characters. Done. Good. Okay. Trash. Characters. Okay. Each member of the Madrigal family has their own special gift except for marble. Okay, I got a picture of the family. Let me see. what I can make that look like. No, that's not the spot. Here's a good family tree. Will that fit there? No, it won't. Okay, we got to drag it down. There, now it'll fit there. No, it won't. Ugh. Okay, and the powers. All right, we don't have 4 sentences up there, and I guess we got to make this right. So, um, Pedro and Augustine married into the family, so they were not given gifts. How do I spell abuelo? Well, I'm just going to say Pedro. Pedro and Alma. Pedro passed away before powers were given, and how do I spell Alma? Alma does not have a power for some reason. She is the keeper of the candle. I spelled lots wrong. Like, oh man, how do I get before so backwards? All right, now to the long part. Bruno can see the future. Peppa can control the weather. Not getting that detailed. I know she can control the weather with her motions, but I mean, come on. There's like a bajillion children here. Julieta can heal with her meals. Dolores can hear from. I'm just going to say Dolores has super hearing. Emilio can change shape into another person. And did I make this one big sentence? Oh, and Antonio can speak with animals. All 3 are Peppa and capital. Peppa and no, not Pedro. Pedro? Yeah, Pedro. Pedro's kids. Pedro? No, it's Felix. Ugh. So I gotta fix this. Felix. Remember, if you're doing this step by step with me, then you're probably doing the exact same thing that I am with Encanto. But like I said, you can do something else as long as it's school appropriate. Okay. Now, what's her name? Julieta and they spelled Augustine wrong. It gets on my nerves. Augustine also have 3 kids. Okay, serious question to you guys out there. Let's discuss this in class. Is Luisa older than Isabella or vice versa? Tell me who. I will do Isabella first. Isabella can grow flowers. Louisa is the strongest human on Earth. And Marble has no power. Okay, great. Camille probably has a C, capital C, spelled Earth wrong. Okay, great. Now let's go back to the home page. Make sure characters links up with this. Good. Okay. Songs. Okay. Characters. Frequently asked questions. Okay. Yep. This name is getting changed um, to properties. Songs. Done. Okay. I don't know what to do with all of this stuff. I feel like we're going to be deleting a lot of these frequently asked questions parts. That way, if you're making one for a business or something, those frequently asked questions can probably be helpful. All right. I guess let's put in a picture first. Whatever. We'll just delete it and start from scratch. Um. mm. All right. So I'm gonna go here. I'm just gonna click Add Header, Change Image, Upload, and I got a good image of the songs somewhere. Here we go. All right. This needs to be bigger though. So change that to songs. From Drive Picture. No. Okay. Well, that shows all the songs right there. So that's good enough for me. Okay. So down here, it looks like we add a footer, duplicate section. Okay. So now we can put up there. Okay. And I'm just going to type a little bit about the songs. Are catchy. They will make you want to get up and sing and dance. They are appropriate for all ages. We highly recommend that you see the movie. Okay. Let me see here 1 second. Oh, here we go. Here's the inserts. So if you want to add a text box, okay, you can adjust the text box any way you want in the select. Okay. And you got current ways to, or you got what do you call it? Different methods of different templates right here. Okay. So pages. Uh, okay, I did the wrong one. Okay, so this one's going to be, what's the last on the list? pictures of, okay, about the actors. Okay, so this one's going to be properties about the actors. Done. And this one's going to be songs. Okay. All right. And why does it still say untitled? Done. Thank you. Home. Characters. Link to songs. Apply. Link to songs. Thank you. While we're here, we'll finish up the links. Link to about the actors. Apply. Link to about the actors. Apply. All right, let's go to about the actors. Okay, that's weird. I don't know why I did that, but okay. Trash it. All right, let's go to our tools. We're going to upload an image. And it's got to be this one. Okay? Creating images. I don't know. We'll just put that there. Okay, text box. Nope. Right here. Text box. And we'll put something about all of them in there. All of the voice actors are very talented in what they do. The main character, Maribel, was on Brooklyn Nine-Nine and many other movies. I don't know how to spell your last name, John Leguizamo. Fan favorite character, Bruno, is played by John Echo. John Leguizamo. Okay, Echo. Stop. All right, played by John Leguizamo, is in many feature films, including upcoming Mario movie. This cast is no short of talent, even with music. Oh man, what's the guy's name? Echo. Lin-Manuel. What? No. Echo. Who is Lin-Manuel Miranda? Okay, glad I looked that up. Man, you will. Okay, Echo, stop. Uh, wrote many of the songs for this movie. How many do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, And then that's it. You can always add more, take more, but this is your basic website. Publish it. Why does it still say plot like that? Well, whatever. Publishing. Okay, you get the link, copy the link, send it to me. Okay, I did something wrong. Okay, that's no problem. Get the link, copy link. What am I doing wrong? Okay, it worked that time. So we go to the home page. Everything's all there, and I forgot. I forgot. Why is this on this page? It should be on this page. Okay, so I have to fix that. I'll go back in here. All right, pages, home. Always a good thing to check. All right, delete that. I better not delete it from songs. It deleted from songs. All right, we're just gonna delete this real fast. Go back to songs. Insert text box right there. Down here. Insert image. Upload. This one. Open. That works. Pages. Home. Perfect. Okay. Now, one of these you do need to have a web banner on. So it's real simple. Just come up here, go to your insert, click up here, image, upload, and then select a web banner. Let me see if I have one. What does my pizza logo look like? It's not really a web banner, but it's got to be there, okay? And then one of the other images, so pages, say about the actors. Why is my about the actors blank? Why? Uh-huh. Okay, I messed that up again. About the actors, insert, image, upload. I've been working on this for 45 minutes now. Okay. Now, pages. Let's go back to songs because there's clearly a problem. Just release this with. Okay, whatever. I just got 4 sentences there. That's good enough. Okay. All right. So we need one of our own images on here. Now I'm just going to go and I'm going to go select one of my images that I made from, I don't know, who knows when. one of the many images I made in Console Graphic 3. IT explorations. Nothing is in IT explorations. Okay, documents. Oh, I have a banner there already. Okay, where is? I need to go to documents. That's right, documents. Image editing. Okay, and just put a picture that I took of. Come on, don't I got lots of pictures of banana? Oh, come on, I know I have a bunch of pictures of banana, don't I? Um, we'll go with this one. Okay. All right. Doesn't really matter, but that's okay. Let's see. I will go to a different page, home page. I'll add a image, upload, image editing. IT explorations, that pizza logo. Where did I have that? Documents. It's in here, wasn't it? Web banner, open. Okay, and then there's my web banner. All right, I got 2 web banners on here. This is an A. You got everything that you need for it. Publish. Okay, publish again, I guess. Push the button. All right. Let's take a look at it. All right, I don't see my web banner there anymore. It's kind of concerning. Okay, that's good. Songs about the actors. It still didn't save it, but okay. Then there's the pizza. I guess that'll count as my web banner. But that's it. I'll go back and fix it again, but that's how you do the project. Submit the link to me and make sure everything is all good. Thank you. Have a nice day. Remember, this is due the 4th. It closes the 14th. These 2 days are just makeup days. All right? So get it done.